Oh, I got it. I got it. That was a good. Hey you guys, Brendan Rice here. Save a turtle, and you'll save a man. You'll save Turtle Man. He's a local folk hero here in Lincoln County. But hey, I'll talk to you a little more about it in the next break. So stick with me. Live action. It's got some real good lighting. Oh.
Be safe.
It's going. Oh! Yeah, I got it, dude. I don't know, dude. That went straight down, dude. I wouldn't. That's right there. I believe we should bring Turtle Man back to all his glory, back to his good old YouTube days, before History Channel's producers got a hold of him and made him do things he wasn't comfortable with. Hey, you're still a true fella to us. Oh man, I got it again. We had a YouTuber named Goofon. He's the one that gave us our names. So for his sake, we're gonna keep our names. You ever need us? You just go ahead and look for Bo's Looking Duke, and Pepper Jasper J, and Cletus Plays Well as others, and you'll have yourself a crew. We'll be here anytime for you, brother. Hey, we love you. We miss you and want you back. Again, dude, it struck in the same spot. They say lightning don't strike twice in the same spot. Bull crap, it just did right there. Dude, I just got it again. That's scary. This is sKyBizzare, Invades, Florida. So, right now it is August 10th, Tuesday. This is Brandon Rice at sKyBizzare. These aren't Kentucky skies, but you know, we're down in Florida, so we're gonna just film some lightning. That's what we like to do anyways, right? Film lightning. That's our mainstay. But this lightning, oh my. I heard lots about that Turtle Man going round. I heard lots of stories on YouTube. He got so big, he got all these offers, but Animal Planet will be the best. But they didn't know him. They need to know, cause the Turtle Man does what the Turtle Man do. He saves that pond for you. Well, can you tell me about a folk hero? Turtle Man, Turtle Man, I'm in Kentucky. Can you save my Turtle Man? Can someone save my Turtle Man? Bring back live action to YouTube. And that's all I got to say. My phone got enough charge, so I gotta sit right here where I got enough charge to do it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. If you're new here, like and subscribe. I can use all the subscribers. You can use their help. We need to grow the channel, and hey, thank you for that 180 mark. I really appreciate it, guys. Hello. Getting pretty scary out there, and oh, it's another big strike. Oh, dude. I didn't even see where it flashed at. That was just one big bright flash. I mean, for real. Oh, shit. That's a good one there. That's a good one. Woo! Live action. Hey, I can't be putting that. I have to delete that out. Turtle Man trademarked that. Turtle Man, if you forgive me. This. Oh! If this shit goes viral, then I will give you the money out of it, Turtle Man, to get your career resurrected. Just come over and hang out with us on Mr. Original Concepts Garage, where we do, you know, a lot of work on diesels and bikes, and we like to have a good time. Man, that's a good one there.
Yeah, I missed that one.
Just keep coming and keep coming. Dang. That's what I gotta check my YouTube channel.